So, let's start with preparing our pasta. Which are the main ingredients of pasta? Today we're gonna use only durum wheat flour, yolk egg. Here is our quality yolk, yellow from organic eggs, but you can use any yolk that you want. Actually, there's no restriction for that. Water and truffle. This is our truffle that we have to keep, of course, to maintain in the fridge and cover with just a kitchen paper to absorb the extra humidity. This is our real original white truffle. Fantastic. So the first thing we need to do to cook spaghetti with truffle is to heat some butter in a pan. Just like that is enough for one portion, or even two eventually. Low fire. You don't want to cook and burn the butter. Now the butter is melting, so we can switch off the fire. Meantime, the water is boiling, butter is melted. So the best way to add an extra flavor of truffle is to give already a couple of flakes in it. The pasta is ready in the pan for what we say in Italy, mantecatura. Here is where the pasta gets together with the sauce, but keep on slightly cooking, so maintaining the structure, but absorbing all the taste. And here is where we add a little bit of water just for create that creamy feeling. So the best way to enjoy white truffle is by slicing it in ultra thin flakes using a small handheld mandolina. And now, buon appetito!